In regards to the alarm, this clock is set up correctly. It's unfortunate that that click that I was talking about, it's just not as audible on this one. It sort of slides into the groove instead of dropping down, so you don't hear the that click. But what I have is I've got it running right now, and I have the time set to a little after 7. And you can see the alarm hand here. I'm going to advance the alarm hand, and when it gets near the 7, it should sound the alarm, and then we know that the clock is set up right. I have a suspicion that with a 24-hour alarm, there's only one way to do it. So there isn't a particular procedure other than what I described to you. If you do that, then you're going to get the alarm at the time you set it for. Okay, so when I advance this, when it gets close to the 7, if it's working correctly, I've got to make sure that I switch the alarm to on. When I get close to 7, we should hear the alarm sound. All right, so since it didn't do that, it should happen this time around. So I think that the first time I set it at 2 o'clock, the the hands would just keep going until the second time it hits 2 o'clock, because it's a 24-hour alarm. But if you set up your clock the way I said, and then you do this procedure, and at 7 o'clock, one of the 2 times it goes around, it goes off, then you've got it set up, as well as I know how to set it up. And the question is, on the back, is it indicating that both of these are AM, the alarm and the time are AM, or are they different? If they're the same, then that's the way it's supposed to be. If they're different, then that's not the way it's supposed to be. So let's take a look at the back and see if we have black and black or black and white. All right, so when we look at the back, you see there, the time is saying AM or PM, the alarm is saying PM. So there must be some kind of trick that I'm not aware of to get those synced up. And but what I'm gonna say to you is, I don't use these as alarm clocks. I know how to get them so that they will ring. The alarm will go off at the time set, but I don't know how to sync the AM PM. So that might be something you can mess around with and figure out. And if you do, if you put it in the comments, I'd appreciate it.